Hey there, welcome to Violet's DIY Style. I'm Violet. If this is your first time to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Also, don't forget to click on that bell button so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. So today, what I'm going to share with you is how I made this beautiful boho centerpiece, perfect for any event or even your coffee table. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share with friends and family. So let's go ahead and get started. What you're going to need is you're going to need one of these candle saucers, 2 rings from these reef rings, and then you're going to also need a tea light candle holder, which are the glass tall ones. You're going to first go ahead and add some E6000 and hot glue to the bottom of your tea candle holder. And just go ahead and glue that to the center of your candle saucer. Then you're going to get your 2 rings, and what you're going to do is kind of figure out where you want to place them on the sides of your saucer. And then on the top part, you're going to go ahead and use a zip tie to tie and attach those together. So the way you're going to attach it to your saucer is you're going to add a little bit of E6000 and hot glue, and then you're going to place it on one side and kind of just hold it lightly just to make sure that that hot glue does have time to dry in order for that E6000 to dry. You're going to do that to both rings, and then you're going to attach them on the top part. And then that little opening, all you're going to do is grab a zip tie and then put those and attach them together with your zip tie. Once you have allowed the glue to completely dry, go ahead and spray paint it any color you like. I'm spray painting mine with the Rust-Oleum gold. And then once that's completely dry, go ahead and bring it in, and you're going to go ahead and start decorating it. What I did first was make these little palm leaves. And what I used to make the palm leaves was some package paper. And this is just in the wrapping paper at Dollar Tree. And just go ahead and cut it the size you like, depending on how big you want your palm leaf. And then you're going to start folding it like an accordion. And I do have another tutorial that I'll link down below if you want to see more in depth how to make these palm leaves. And since it's going to be a centerpiece, what you want to do is make 2 of them the same size. That's why I cut them both the same size at the same time in order for it to be front and back. And this is the way it looks front and back. Then what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and start getting all the flowers or greenery that you want to use, and you're going to also glue some foam onto your base of your centerpiece. And I like to clip my greenery in smaller pieces in order for me to attach it wherever I like. and make sure that my whole centerpiece is nice and full. And now the fun part starts. Now you can just start decorating it with whatever style you want to decorate. For this one, I am using more of the greeneries to make it more of that boho farmhouse style look. But of course, you could add just red roses or pink roses, any style depending on what event you're going to use this for and what theme it's going to be. And that's the way one side looks, and then you just go ahead and you can do it exactly the same on the other side, or just kind of fill it in just as long as it looks the same theme. It would be perfectly fine. You don't have to make it exactly the same, but you can do that option as well. And all the dry flowers, like for instance, these lavender and pampas, I did order from Amazon, and there is a link down in the description box, as well as the flowers that I'm using. Those are from Sola Wood Flowers, and there is also a link down below if you want to order these kind of flowers as well. So just go ahead and continue decorating it whichever way you like, add as much as you'd like onto your centerpieces. And there you have it. Now you can leave it as is, but I decided to go ahead and use some more of the pampas and just make a little decoration on the top part of my centerpiece. Now, since I am adding some decoration on the top of my centerpiece, I would recommend, if you're going to do the same thing, to use an LED battery operated light. And here is the final look. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share with friends and family. Until next time, you guys stay blessed. Bye.